Hey everybody, welcome back to Grey County Grillin'. I'm Chris, and today we are going to be making some Nashville Hot chicken thighs in the Big Easy. I have 8 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs that we are going to cook up. Now your first step is to brush on some hot sauce on all of the thighs. So I just have some plain old Frank's hot sauce here. And then just brush that on all of them. And then once that's done, you want to get some seasoning on them. And today we are going to be using the Weber Bold Chipotle rub. Not a whole lot because this is going to get a nice spicy coating on them at the end. So we're just going to shake a little bit of this on each of the thighs. Then we'll flip these over and do the exact same thing to the other side. Okay, so we have the other side of the thighs all seasoned up and ready to go. Next, what you're going to do is put these on a plate and then put them in the fridge, and you'll want to have them in the fridge for at least an hour. Once they've been in for a good hour, we're going to take them up and get the Big Easy fired up. Okay, we have the Big Easy all warmed up, and the chicken has sat in the fridge for just a little bit over an hour. We've got it in the basket now, so let's get it down into the Big Easy. There we go. And down in it goes. And I don't think I'm going to put the lid on right away. We'll just let it sit in there for a little bit, maybe about a half an hour, and then we'll put the lid on at the end, and that should help crisp up that skin. But in the meantime, we're gonna go inside and I will show you how you make the spicy coating that you're gonna put on at the end. So now we are going to make our spicy coating and start off with about 3/4 of a cup of oil. And then 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Now we don't want this super spicy, so we're just gonna do 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. And then about 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And then a full teaspoon of some garlic powder. And then some kosher salt. And then some black pepper. And just kind of use your own judgment on that. And then you want to whisk it until it all combines. You're gonna put this on medium heat on your stove top. And then once you've got it cooked and warmed up through, then just turn it down to low and keep it warm until you are ready to put it on the chicken. Okay, we're about a half an hour in on this cook on the chicken, so let's take a quick look here. And that is how it looks so far. It smells fantastic. I mean, I'm really looking forward to trying this once we get her done. Okay, I think I'm gonna put the lid on. For the rest of this cook, we'll check back in about 20 minutes and stick the instant read thermometer in there to see what temperature we're looking at. And again, if you don't know, the lid helps crisp up the skin on chicken, turkey, duck, any other kind of, you know, fowl or bird you're going to put in there. It reflects the heat back down, so that really helps with the crisping of the skin. So that's what we're looking for here. Okay, the lid's been on for about 20 minutes now, so we're going to take a look. Oh, those are looking a little dark on top, but that's okay. I've got thermometer here, and we're gonna check. Oh yeah. All right, those are done. So we'll bring them inside, and then we're gonna get the spicy coating onto them. They're gonna be awesome. So my audio cut out on me during this point, but this is the finished chicken thighs, and what I'm going to do is add the spicy coating to all of them. Just going to brush it on. And if you could only smell what I could smell at this point, it was amazing. They smelled so good. I could not wait to bite into them and give them a try. So I make sure that I get a good, healthy coating on them. I'm just going to go over them a little bit more. There we go. So they look fantastic. I know I say fantastic a lot, but I can't think of another word at times. So I'm just going to take this little one here and give it a try. Look at that. And it is amazing. The skin was so crispy and the chicken was so tender and juicy. It was so good. And the heat didn't really do anything at the beginning. It came in at the end, and it hit pretty good with just that 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper in there. It was awesome. I love those. I'm gonna make them again. Anyway, if you like this video, then give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, all that wonderful stuff. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so you get notified every time I've got a new video uploaded. And don't forget my Amazon affiliate links and Patreon as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.